I gotta see Ella. Ella! First up, we have the Cinnamon Toast Crunch cookie. This is one of my favorites. Yeah. Easy 10. Next, we have the Cookies and Cream cookie. Really? This is not a bad cookie. It's just very plain for me, so I'm gonna give it an 8. Next, we have Nilla Bean Cupcake. This cookie's really hitting the spot this week. It's very soft. I'm gonna give it a 9. North Carolina Lemon Pie. See if we can get any juice out of this lemon. Ooh. I am a sucker for anything lemon. A 10 out of 10. Chocolate Peanut Butter Cup Cheesecake. Normally don't like chocolate and cheesecake, but the peanut butter is saving it. 9 out of 10. And last, we have Caramel Shortbread Cookie featuring Twix. Not a whole lot of flavor, so I'm gonna have to give it a 7. My favorite this week was most certainly the North Carolina Lemon Pie.